Right, for this question, we know that the gradient of PQ is 3 over 2 and the gradient of QR is negative 3 over 4. Find the coordinates of R. Right, so let's write some stuff down. What I do know is PQ, so PQ is M is 3 over 2, and then QR, my M is negative 3 over 4. Now they almost look perpendicular, but looking at the m's I can tell that they are not because they are not exactly the negative reciprocal. Right, so first thing I know this point P, I don't know anything else, so I should be able to first thing find my Q coordinate and then we're going to find the R coordinate. So it's kind of like two-step process. Alright, let's begin. So I have to go use the M formula. Y2 take Y1, X2 take X1, and all I have to do is sub those in. So for my PQ, my slope, my gradient is 3 over 2. If I start labeling it x1, y1, x2, y2, it will become b take minus 2, a take minus 6. So if I just tidy that up a little bit, 3 over 2 equals b plus 2, a plus 6. Right, so I've got my equation here. What I can do is also figure out the equation. Now, looking at C and D over here, this coordinate, I can find something special about it. So hopefully, also as this point here, hopefully we can see, actually, I know one of those A and B, and I actually know one of those C and D. Let's see how I can tell that. So this is intersecting at the y-axis. That means it is the y-intercept, and all of those values actually have a value of x equals 0. Remember that fact? So my A is actually 0. So I should be able to substitute all that in. So that will just be 6. Alright, so I should be able to solve my B. Also, my C and D, if you have a look, it's my x-intercept, so my y value should be 0. So this value should be 0. So technically we only have to find 2 unknowns. So let's solve this one first because we're on our way. Alright, so I'm going to have to times by 6. I'll do that with different colour to get rid of the divide 6. So I get 3 over 2 times 6 equals b plus 2. And then I get 3 times 6, this is 18 divided by 2 equals b plus 2. I should be able to do 18 divided by 2, which is 9. So 9 is b plus 2. All I have to do is just take 2 from both sides. So therefore I get 9 take 2, which is 7, equals b. So I found my b. So this corner over here is 0, what was it, 7? 7. Beautiful. Now just come up with a second equation. So I do know my fact is m is 3 over 4. So let's write that same equation. M equals y2 take y1, x2 take x1. Right? I've already labelled this coordinate x2, y2. Well, so I'm going to just label this one x1, y1. Now the reason I didn't use this one is hopefully you understand that I found the 7 and I substituted in. They're literally the same thing, but with the unknown variable as a known variable. Alright, all I have to do is substitute some values in. So minus 3 over 4 equals y2 is 7, y1 is 0, x2 is 0, x1 is c. So here we go. So my minus 3 over 4 is 7 over minus c. Alright, so I just got to kind of jumble this around so I get minus c at the top. So I'm going to times by minus c, times by minus c. So I get 3 over 4c, because the minus and the minus turns into a positive. And then just a 7 on the top. Now all I have to do is get rid of the 3 over 4. So what I can do is to times by 3 over 4, so I can divide by 3 over 4, or I can just do it separately. So it's a divide by 4, so I'm going to times 4, so I get 3c equals 28, and then I go divide 3. So therefore my C must be 28 divided by 3 if I did that calculation right. So my coordinates of R, therefore my coordinates of R is going to be 28 over 3, 0. And let's have a look. Hopefully that's the answer. If not, we might have to go fix it up somewhere. Where's my answer? 28 over 3, 0. Brilliant. So that, where'd it go? That is the correct answer for that one. So really just, it's breaking down step by step what you need to figure out. Alright, so I realized that I need to figure out, this coordinate, and then once I found it, I did the similar process again to figure out that one. That's really all I had to do.